Hello, in this video I want to show you how to remove the files from the gallery, otherwise the SD card, on your REOLINK Argus Pro. And to do this you'll need to click on these three lines in the top left corner of your app on the Android or iPhone device. Here I have the camera set up. If you're not sure on how to do it, you can follow our previous guide. So click on the straight lines, move to the album, and right here you can find all files that are saved on your SD card. Here click on edit, select each file that you want to delete and click delete, then say yes. And now you just successfully wiped the storage card on this device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.